Shut up, football team, you suck. Love this, I really do. Huh? It's really cold, isn't it? Yeah. Sean Dackett. Oh, here we go, 777. Jenny, stand by. This is, I don't know what this is. It's like a 300, isn't it? Is that a 200 maybe? I don't know. Keep on my eyes focused, yeah? Because this thing, I'll tell you, it might be loud by the time he says about 4,000 or something. I'll see, he's still, watch, he'll go out in a second. Oh, they're even turning now, is that him? Oh no, it's gone off, So it might be all nice and good. Should be loud, alright. Here we go. We'll see, she's banking now. Can you see? Oh, she's going right over me. Is that a free? Oh, it's 777, is it? 300. Oh yeah, we love the 300. Korean Air, is it? Okay. And for Seoul, okay. Ooh, I don't know what that noise is. Bloody hell. Ugh. What a noise, I have to admit, that 777 was screaming over the top. What is that? Dreamline on approach Heathrow, apparently. That's what that is over there.